Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy, steganography, and adversarial AI. So steganography is the method by which someone can conceal a message, whether it be an image or a text. Some people call it security by obscurity. So the ability to try to do this in a technological age is very interesting. So steganography is ancient. It's been used for hundreds of years, but in the digital age, one of the ways that it's being used, well, it can be used in good and bad ways, I would say. But one of the interesting ways that I'm seeing it being used to secure privacy of individuals is to find a way to obscure in some way digital images, or especially images of individuals, so that the image of the individual can't be reused or repurposed beyond kind of its original purpose. So let's say, for instance, you have LinkedIn and you have your photo on LinkedIn, and as we see companies like Clearview AI, what they do, they can go into these public profiles, scrape images, and create their own databases about individuals that you know nothing about. But there's a way that steganography can be used to change the way that the pixels appear, not to the human eye, but to the way the computer looks at it. So then, for example, if someone, the picture looks the same to you when you look at it with your human eye, but if the data is scraped or say taken by another company, the data or the image will not look the same, or will not register in a AI system in a way that, that can help people not be put in facial recognition databases and things like that. So this is really interesting. We're seeing this being implemented in privacy enhancing technology. So this can be done, again, it can be helped with things like data scraping from unauthorized people. It can thwart facial recognition. Reverse image searching wouldn't work on images that use these types of things. And so it is becoming, and will continue to become, very popular with companies that are looking for ways to protect data of individuals, especially if it gets sent or gets collected by third parties. We're seeing companies like PhotoNija or DoNot Pay do this with images that are on their site. Also, the search engine Startpage is starting to do something similar, where they're pixelating certain things where if those images are scraped by AI, they can't be repurposed. So that, to me, that's really a great development that I see. On the flip side, there's something called adversarial AI. So adversarial AI is the method of individuals creating images or creating data in a way that it can somehow mess up in some way certain AI systems to make it not be able to work properly. So these are highly technical people that know how to create these issues, and what's happening is that I guess an example would be, you see people buy t-shirts on the internet and it says that they'll mess up an AI system because it's something about the graphic that the computer reads that may make it bad. So not all AI is bad, as you know. So I think someone had called it like a cat and mouse game, because people can put these images into AI systems that could possibly make them not work. Especially, obviously this is a concern for people who are doing legitimate things with AI and images. So it remains to be seen how this will play out. Obviously, we know that bad actors can do bad things with images, but I'm happy to see privacy enhancing tech embracing things like steganography to protect images or protect data of individuals. That's it. Thank you.